What is an HTTP client? It's when your board sends data to a web server using HTTP requests. How the HTTP client works. The board uses the urequests module to create an HTTP POST request. In HTTP, POST is the method used to send data to a server. Think of it like submitting a web form. The request contains a URL, a JSON body with the sensor value, and headers including the API key for authentication. The server processes the request and returns a status code. In this demo, the W55MH32L-EVB acts as an HTTP client, publishing temperature and humidity readings from the onboard AHT20 sensor to Adafruit IO. Let's look at the code. We initialize the AHT20 sensor over I2C, then set up Ethernet. In the main loop, we read temperature and humidity every 3 seconds. The publish function builds 2 URLs, one for the temperature feed, one for the humidity feed. It creates a JSON payload, then calls urequests.postParents. The server responds with a status code. Watch the demo. The board gets an IP address, then starts sending data. On the Adafruit IO dashboard, you'll see the temperature and humidity feeds updating every 3 seconds. New data points appear on the charts. The serial console prints the status codes, confirming each successful upload. Both MQTT and HTTP work for Adafruit IO. HTTP is request response. Each post opens a connection, sends data, waits for a reply, then closes. This works well for occasional updates. MQTT maintains a persistent connection, pushing messages instantly with less overhead, ideal for continuous streaming. Visit docsw5500.com for more information.